welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen we are cooking avocado toast. It's been around for a while. I had never heard of it until last week, and I thought it was a Florida thing, but I guess back in Michigan where I come from, they have it there too, so it's all over, but it was new to me. I tried it, I loved it, so I want to make it for you guys. So we're gonna get started, but before that, you know what I need you to do? Yep, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so it's only a few ingredients that we need. It's toast. So I'm gonna make mine with some French bread, and here's my avocados that I've just put in the bowl for now. Only thing we're gonna use is some lemons, a little extra virgin olive oil, some onions, that's just for decoration, a little red pepper flake, some salt and pepper. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna cut up my French bread because I'm going to toast it first. So I'm just gonna make a few pieces, cut this up. Now I've had it on multigrain bread, which was delicious, but I just think if I toasted some French bread, it would just really be good, and it would really be cute if you want to use it as an appetizer. I've had it for breakfast, but I'm thinking it would just really be good as an appetizer. So, all right, let me cut up a few of these. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to put them on my cookie sheet. Let's get this out of the way. My handy dandy cookie sheet. I've got my extra virgin olive oil. I want to toast these, but before I do, I just want to brush them with a little bit of olive oil. I have my oven set to broil so that it'll toast them up, make them crunchy. I want it to be a little crunchy texture along with the flavor. I hope that's going to give it some flavor. So I'm going to put these in the oven right now. Like I said, I have it on broil. So I'm going to broil these right quick, toast them up. And while those are toasting, I'm going to work on my avocados. So I've cut up me some avocados. Well, I mean, I just put them in the bowl. So I'm going to cut them up. Let's see. I'm just going to cut them up. I don't want to smash them. I just want them to be cut up. I'm just gonna run my knife through them quite a bit. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna take the rest of my olive oil, put that in there. I'm gonna take my lemon, squeeze me some lemon juice in there. Just mix it up a little. I want the chunks. That's why I just cut it up a little. I'm not smashing it. I want it to still be in chunks. So basically, I'm going to spread this on my toast, and that's it. It's going to be avocado toast. So while the bread is toasting in the oven, I need you guys to do what? Hit that subscribe button. And then I'll be back. All right, my toast should be ready by now. So let's get this out of the oven. Yes, perfect. Look at that. Nice and toasty. That's cute. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, I have my melon baller. I'm just using this because I just want it to be cute. This is a appetizer size. So I'm just gonna add a little of this on there. Here's my plate to plate it up. I'm not going to do all of them right now. I just want to do a few of them to plate it up. And so I have my olive oil, I have my lemon juice, my salt and pepper, and a little red pepper flake just for taste and for presentation. You know, everything with Lavonne's Kitchen has to be quick, tasty, and all about the presentation. So I've got some onions that I've cut up over here as well. I'm gonna put these onions in here. It's just for decoration. These are red onions. You know, it's not just about the flavor. That color will give it a little more presentation. So that I can show you what we have. You see how quick and easy that was? We have avocado toast. Isn't it cute? You know I gotta taste it. So good. French bread gives it that crunch, but that toasted bread gives it that extra crunch. The olive oil made it more creamy. Salt and pepper and lemon juice gave it just a little bit of flavor. This is delicious. So if you ever want to just do a quick appetizer, here you go. But these can also be used on other breads. And like I said, you can use it for breakfast if you like. It's good. I'm gonna keep eating this. Now I will see you guys next time in the kitchen. Bye.